Here. Oh, yeah, Haley's here. Hi, Haley. Good to see you, dear. All right. Well, welcome everybody. Today we are going to do some practice of addition with our 3 digits, which seems simple, but sometimes we make some silly mistakes. So we'll talk about those today. I'm going to go down to our math section. This is where you find everything. Tomorrow, so you know, our math is 9:45 in the morning. So second graders, you guys can watch the video. I'll post it for you, okay? Awesome. And the rest of you, you'll come to my Zoom link at 9:45 tomorrow. It's a little bit of a crazy schedule this week. You can head out to recess. Bring your snack. Yeah, they're taking a break. All right, so today we're going to decide when and how to regroup. So what that means is, when do we need to make a new 10? And that's because a lot of problems aren't as simple as just 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 5 is 8. Sometimes they're greater than 9. How do you know when to make a new group? So we'll discuss that, and then we'll do some word problems in partners. So we're going to look at page 233. Everybody would get your math workbook and a pencil. Let's turn there. So we'll look at a few of these. I do, we do, you do. So how about I show you the first one? When I look at this, I'm just going to try to decide, will I need to make a new group? So when I do that, I'm going to look at the ones place first. So when I look at 3 plus 7, I know that 3 plus 7 is 10 and is greater than 9. So how do I know when to make a new group? If the number is greater than 9, because then I have 2 digits. So if I look at the 3 and the 7, I know that's going to be greater than 9. So I know I'm going to need to make a new group. But then when I think about, so that's 10, and I'm going to put my 1 above the 2. When I look at the 1, the 2, and the 4, I don't think I'm going to make a new group. Why would I not make a new group, Reese?
Because it is over 9, so you have to make a new group.
1 plus 2 plus 4 is only 7, so I don't need a new group for that. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. So if it's less than 9, if your number is less than 9, you don't need a new group. You're not going to be carrying that 1 or putting a new 10 in that hundreds place or in the tens place. So with this one, I only needed to make 1 new group, which was supposed to be above that 2 there. There we go.
I meant you only needed to make that group.
Yeah, that's the only one, right? Okay, so let's look at number 2. Let's see, Katie, do you think when you look at number 2, you look in the ones place, are we going to need to make a new group if we add 8 plus 4? Katie, can you unmute? All right, Ben, how about you? Will we need to make a new group?
Did you call on me? Did you call on me?
I did, but I didn't hear you. Go ahead, Katie. Do you need a new group when we add 8 plus 4?
8 plus 4 is bigger than 9, so you have to make another group. And it gets to 12, so write a 2. And 1 plus 3 plus, no, sorry, 1 plus 5 plus 3 equals 9.
Weird. Okay. And then what's 3 plus 4? Is that going to need a new group?
And then 3 plus 4 is 7.
Yeah, we didn't need many new groups, did we? We only
No.
had one new group in that 10 place because of the 8 and the 4. All right, let's look at number 3, Jensen. Starting off in the 1s place. Do you think we're going to need a new group? 2 and 9? Mr. Cook, I saw you came. Are you there? Math work, looking at pencil, correct? Not much. All right, Jensen, I don't hear you. Leo, what about you, bud? Do we need a new group for 2 plus 9?
Yes,
How do you know?
because 9 plus 2 is 11, and 11 is greater than 9.
Right, so I'm gonna make a new group, and unfortunately, that didn't go where I wanted it to go. So let me, oh, it won't let me because I gotta hit the rate. Now, let's read. Go back. No. Operator, I want to draw. There we go. So 2 plus 9 is 11. Now you're gonna make a new group in the hundreds with 3 plus 1 plus 8. Leah, what do you think?
3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 8 is 13.
Not quite, try again. Wrong, it's 233. 8 plus 3 plus 1, what is that gonna equal?
12.
Wow, there you go. And do we, oh, this isn't working. Let's go back. Now, 1 plus 7 plus 1, are we gonna need to make a new group for that one?
No.
No, because it's just gonna equal 9. All right, I'm gonna line my board because you wanna make sure when you are adding triple digits that your 1, your 10, and your hundreds are nice and aligned. Am I very lined up as well? No. All right, let's go for it. The next one is number 4. All right, we're looking at 6 plus 6, and if you guys just come in, we're trying to see, do we need to make a new group? And how do we know when we do? When we make a new group of 10, that means that the sum or answer is greater than 9. If we're not making a new group, it's less than 9. So in 6 plus 6, then am I gonna make a new group? We're gonna put the 2. Mhm. So just how many new groups did we make in that one? Show me in your fingers. 2. We had to make a new 10 and the new 100, another 10 for the 100. All right. Now here's what you're gonna do. We were just looking to see, when do we need to make a new group and when we don't? I did the new groups above. You can do new groups below, or you can do show all totals. But I'm gonna have you add and do numbers 5 through 12. Just do 5 through 12. And I want you to pick whichever strategy you are the most comfortable with. Go ahead and work on these numbers 5 through 12. You can do show all totals, new groups above, new groups below, but you have to show me your work. So I have to see where you're making this new group. You have to put the new group somewhere if you're doing new groups above or new groups below. I want to be able to see your thinking. Oh, did you get it? Okay. Jensen joined. Oh, he saw that. Okay. But he didn't answer me at all. Maybe he left. I'm gonna go up to Billy and remind my brother because the thing that So if you're doing show all totals, it's probably going to take you a little longer unless you're really good at it. If that's your favorite method, then you're probably really good at it. You're going to do all of these, right? 5 through 12. That you're working on.
Done.
5 through 12. Come on, Beth. We're not just doing number 5, we're doing number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12. This is your practice, right? To get the feel of what it's like to use those methods or strategies that we've been talking about. Yeah, that's all I know. You don't have time. I was all alone. I just thought it was lovely. Yeah, I'll make you co-host right now.
I'm done.
Hey, show me on your fingers how many minutes you need. There's quite a few. We're not all done here. Wow, Henry, when you have yours done, will you hold up your book so I can see it? Look at you. So I'm trying to see which method you used. You used new groups above, right, Henry? Yeah, is that your favorite? Mine too. All right, anyone else say they're done that want to show me so I can see which method you're using? I'm so curious which ones you like. I know the first day we introduced them, a lot of you liked that show all totals. And that made me happy that you understand the place value and you can do it, but it's sometimes not as efficient as others. All right, let's see. Oh, hard for me to see. Can you tell me which method you use, sweetie? Because I can't tell because of the sun is so pretty behind you. Makes you look like an angel.
I used the method of sharing the one above.
Yeah. Okay, that's the one we talked about at the beginning of the year. I think that's the most comfortable. I think we're most comfortable with that one. Anybody else? Oh, Ben, look at you go. All right, I don't see many show all totals, so you're using, from what I can tell, new groups of, I think it's new groups above. Am I right there, Ben? Is that new groups above, Ben? Reese, look at you. She put every answer in chat for me. That's impressive. Reese was the first, and she's showing it to me. New groups above. Okay.
I did
Leo?
new groups above.
Yeah. Ben, did you do new groups above? Yeah. So just, Katie, you doing okay? Need another minute?
Need another minute.
Okay, Leo, how about you, bud?
I'm done.
You want to show me so I can check out your method? Oh, I don't. You must have really light pencil. Is that new groups above, Leo? Yeah. Gavin, how about you? Which method are you using?
Show total.
Oh, you're an adventurer. It's going to take you a little longer probably, right? Let's see how you're doing. Can you hold it up for me? Even if you're not done, just let me see how you're doing, Gavin. I think you're on the wrong page. We're on page, which one, kids? 233. 233, Gavin. Let's hold that one up. Can I see it?
I just got here late, so I
Okay,
didn't
so
really
let's
know
start
what
right
page.
now. Gavin, 233. Let's start right now. Ready? 233. I'll put it up here so you guys can see it again. And wrong one. All right, we're gonna go over the answers. I'm gonna pull out of my can and you're gonna tell me what you got. Let's have Charlie. What'd you get for number 5? Why didn't the board be saying 815? Does anyone disagree? I got some hands up that disagree, so we're gonna have to look at that one. So, 815, 7 plus 8 is 15. You gotta carry that one, make a new group. 11, oh, what mistake did he make?
He added one second.
Did he add the 1? 11 plus 1 is 12. So you forgot to add the new groups, you see? That's good for us to learn from that little mistake. Not a big deal, Charlie, because we all make mistakes, and that's how we learn. Thank you for helping us learn that one. That's what we're going to talk about in one of our lessons. It's just mistakes we make when we add. Sometimes we make the new group and we forget to add it, yes? All right, let's try number 6. I'm going to pull out of the can. Finn, what'd you get for number 6? Number 6. What made that so easy, Finn? So we didn't need any new what? Groups. We didn't need any new groups because all of our sums were 9 or less. That means no new groups. Nobody disagreed with that, did they? All right. Let's see. Do I have anyone that's not? August. What about the next one? 781. Does anyone disagree? 781. Okay, we have some people disagreeing. Let's look at it. What's 4 plus 7, August? Write the fun answer.
11.
What's the one? My 4 does not like me today. I just aligned it. I'm gonna have to write a little bit. All right, so 4 plus 7 is 11. You needed to make a new group. Did you make the new group? Okay, what do you get when you add 5 plus 5 plus 1? Another 11. 5 plus 2 plus 1?
8.
So have you seen the mistake you made? All right, 811. All right, number 8. What did you guess? How about Josh Carter?
I got
860? Does anyone disagree? That's 860 melted. Without anything on board. All right, you're right. Did anyone disagree? Okay, let's double check it. 8 plus 2 is 10, that's a 0. Make a new group. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 9 is 16. Make a new group. 6 plus 1 plus 1 is 8. Do you see your mistake? Yeah, fix it. Fix it right now. Don't leave it. That's how we learn. All right, number 9, pulling out of my can, Sawyer. Where'd you go? You were in my fingers and then they slipped away. Oh, goodness. Well, I had you in there. Sawyer, what is number 9, the answer? 970. Does anyone disagree? All right, Robert disagrees. Let's try it, Robert. 4 plus 6 is You don't? Okay, do you see what you did wrong? All right, let's do the next one. There's Henrik, number 10. 820, does anyone disagree? Oh, finally everyone agreed. Nice. Let's try the next one. Matt.
900, wait,
Number 11.
910.
Anyone disagree? Everyone agree? All right. And Josh Lewis, I'm going to have you do the next one because I think I called Josh Curtis by accident and Josh Lewis. What'd you get for number 12? 962. Does anyone disagree? Look you there. All right. Here's what you're going to do. Nice job, guys. I hope you learned from your mistakes. Some of you may have forgotten to add that new group in. Maybe you had problems with alignment. Maybe you didn't add correctly. You are now going to work in breakout rooms or with a partner or tryout on page 234. These are word problems. You're going to work with your partner and try to figure out the answers. There's only 5 you need to do. I bet you can finish in 5. Well, you might need 7 minutes. You may get started, page 234. I'm going to put you guys in breakout rooms, page 234. Let's see. Let's do 3. All right, you may join. Does anybody need a partner? Gabe and Lucas? What's August? That's spring. Lucas.
rule number 10.
Non-hard 6. All righty, that was a short time, I know. I'm gonna just, I know some of you actually finished. Pretty impressive. Don't get up and leave. Just give me 1 minute. Not yet, nope. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna read the answer. I'm not even gonna write it. Number 18, you should have gotten 603 cards. Give me a thumbs up if you got it. If you didn't get them all done, don't worry. I did not give you a lot of time. Today was weird schedule, everything. Number 19, 904 miles. How'd we do? Number 20, 960 flowers. And number 21, 170.
How much did you say for the miles?
Oh, wait, which one was I on? Not 904 miles. And then 960 flowers and 170 pounds was the last one, which was very challenging. So I know some of you didn't get to that, and that's okay. Today was a big practice day. I will see you in the morning on my Zoom at 9:45 for math because of our testing schedule for tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night. I know it was quick. We'll see you mañana.
Bye, Kitty.